Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Monday. Well, today is part 2 of my review for the Painting Fairy, and if they have any specials, any discount codes, I will put them all right in here. So let's get started. So I made an order with them. They said, you know, here's the amount, you pick out what you want. So when I got this order, they had included that extra little cat picture and in with my order. And also they have included a piece of their fabric. And these pieces of fabric, I did look them up. They are 99 cents for a 40 by, let me get that off of there first, my bad, sorry, 40 by 50 piece. And when I looked it up, the description says 14/16 count, and this on this paper said 16 count, 40 by 50. You do not have a choice. There's a, we'll call it a pink, and there's this lovely little green piece. So you don't have a choice. If you put that in your cart, they will send you either pink or green, either 14 or 16 count. And I didn't see any other of, you know, special fabrics like this at all. I'm not sure why this is all wrinkled. Yeah, but nice piece of fabric. I don't know what I would use it for. I might get into counted cross stitch. Oh, and they also have the fabric that's already marked in a 10 square grid, you know, so that if you're going to do like a full coverage, it's already marked out for you. So they have that, and I can't remember what else, but there was only like 6 choices, so it was these and those marked ones, and I can't remember how much the others were, but these were 99 cents. Now it does have a salvage edge, so you're going to lose a good 1/2 inch on whatever pattern you choose to put on this. But yeah, I just think it's pretty. I usually don't buy colored, like multicolored fabric for things that I do, so I might save this for something if it comes up. But yeah, very nice quality, and they're cotton, of course, but very nice, just absolutely beautiful. So they also sent me, and I tried to look this one up to see what the price was, so I'm guessing, I didn't even find it at all, but I didn't do an extensive search. So this is a 14 count. Now this says 14 count here, but on the actual thing it says 16 count, so it looks more like a 16 count to me. Let me get it out of it. These are nice little plastic bags. They're not cheapy little bags that will rip and tear, you know, if you accidentally push it too far. Yeah, so very nice. So yeah, this is a very beginner one, and it doesn't say 14 or 16 here, and this only has 10 colors, which is fine for what it is. It's a partial. And I don't know any except for 3371, that, and that 996 is that turquoise color that I like. Yeah, I don't see any other colors that I know. Very simple, very easy to see and read. So very nice on the pattern. Look at those bright colors. This would be something if you just wanted to stitch, and it would be perfect for a beginner because it's just cross stitch. But gorgeous, gorgeous, bright, jewel tone colors. Aren't they beautiful? Woo! gorgeous, and they are secured with a bow. Very nice. Yeah, this looks like 16 count to me. It's awfully small. And you would use 2 strands. Could be 14. I don't think I have anything that 14 per inch. So this is 1122. No. This thing does not work the way I want it to. If this is an inch, I don't know what this is for. Truly, no. But let's measure it anyway. It says it is 70 by 100. 16 count. I don't even have a 14 count to compare it to. So it's 25 by 22 centimeters. The actual picture is 11 or a little over 4.5 by, get it where it needs to be, about 6 1/4 inches or 15.5 centimeters. And this wouldn't take any time at all. You could just pick out one color and stitch out everything for that. Yeah, it's a snack size. But if you wanted to practice your cross stitching, it'd work out great. Now this is one that I picked out, and it is 33 by 40, and it was $16.35. Comes in a nice Ziploc bag. I've reused these bags if and when possible. Let me put that in there and flip that over. Now, before I go any further, I did look this one up, and it is no longer available. I don't know if that's a temporary thing or what, but yeah, it says, yeah, I'm not going to try. If you know how to pronounce that, you know how to pronounce it, but I don't. But I think it's pretty. I really do, and I don't know why. There's no explanation ever, you know, of why something is no longer available. I don't know if it was really, really popular or what, but yeah. And it's got hordes of back stitching in it. We have a total of 64 colors, and I don't know how to explain that. You have 55 in full cross stitch, and then you have 9 colors in mixed threads. Now it does have, this is your full cross. Let me pull you down so you can see here. Okay, so it has full cross, half stitch, and back stitch. So if it's in this column, it's a half cross stitch. If it's in this column, it's a full cross. If it's in this column, it's a back stitch. So let me pull you out before I forget, and then we go through the whole thing and you won't be able to see nothing. I know, you're all screaming. Let's see here. No 310 black. No 550 purple. We have nothing that I really know of. No 3371. They use a lot of different colors than what I'm used to. No 3865, so I have no idea. Let's take a look at the threads, but I just liked all the colors, even despite all that back stitching. But nice paper pattern, very easy to see symbols, and the symbols on the paper pattern match the canvas. Let's see if this canvas has, you know what I mean, I can't think what it's called, a key on the material, because the last ones didn't. Get the color, the threads are all packaged separately. And it is tied with a bow. And they're on those lovely reusable plastic thread cards, which is nice that they do that, at least. There is that pewter color that I don't recognize that number, I guess. 3799. I recognize it when it's there, but we have teals, turquoises, oranges, kind of a yellow orange. And there's kind of a palish blue. More turquoise, more green, oranges, more greens, more turquoise. These are kind of muted colors. Just beautiful, beautiful threads. These are all Egyptian cotton. Sorry, I am losing my voice today. Don't know why. I haven't even started the day. But need to cut these strings off. Seriously, folks. Come on. Now it's being more of a pain in the neck if I just left them. Okay, let's see. Nope. There is absolutely no key on this, and I am really upset about that. This is kind of, I don't know, it looks like it's very lightly printed. Kind of rivers of color. And I think, you know, of course, the back stitching is going to bring everything out. But, and nice thick material. I did notice that on the last, you know, especially the, what do you call it? That Lotus Village, or Village Lotus, and the goldfish and the lotus. The material is nice and thick, but it does, you know, crunch down quite nice, so that's lovely, and it's very smooth, so very nice. Okay, 47.5 centimeters or 18 3/4 inches by 40.5 centimeters or almost 16 inches. The actual picture size is 27 centimeters or almost 10 3/4 inches by 34 centimeters or a little over 13 1/4 inches. So it's not a bad size. It is a partial because the whole thing is not cross-stitched. As you can see, let me fold it. I'll just fold it this way. You can see the white parts. You don't stitch those. But very well printed. Very nice. Very, I'm going to flip. Very easy to see symbols. Just, where is my key? Along the side. I hate that going back and forth. It just gets on my last nerve. What can I say? Now that is all that I got from Painting Fairy. Thank you so much, Painting Fairy, for beautiful kits. And they do have lots of sales. They have free shipping. I think it's over, oh dear, over $50? 49, yeah, over $49. And they said no, I don't know what that word is. Is it auxiliary tax? Like if you're in the UK and other places, that VAT, V-A-T thing? There's none of that. So, yeah. They do have some PDF charts. They have gift cards. They also have embroidery thread, and like I said, material. So mostly cross stitch, a little bit of embroidery material, I believe, and no diamond painting or paint by number or anything like that. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.